Are you sick of making the same old meals? About to change your life. About to change your life. Frozen is the new fresh. Hi, I'm Pat. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be telling you all about Revive Superfoods. And conveniently, I just got a delivery. So I've got this big box here that I'm going to open up and show you all the different smoothies and super meals that I got. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Roll the intro. It is really, really good. This just tastes like blueberries. Try Revive Superfood Smoothies. Ready to blend smoothies delivered right to your door with a variety of flavors. Absolutely delicious. Take the thinking out of nutrition. Okay, so I've got my handy dandy knife and I've got my box of smoothies. And as you can see, it says freeze me on the top and I'm about to change your life. And frozen is the new fresh. And on this side it says, put the knife down. Superfoods bring out our best life because superfoods have superpowers. They can unlock the ability to become a morning person, give us that extra boost to hover and spin class, or kill a dance solo. So we can say yes to more and hit snooze less. Let's show up for ourselves every day and everyone else around us because there's tape over the rest of that sentence. So make sure you order your own box. Use coupon code PatWallace60 at checkout for discount. And you can find out what the rest of that sentence says. Okay, let's open this box. Okay, so inside your box, it's going to look like this. It's going to say, easy there, partner. We've got some super cold dry ice in here. That's how we make sure your superfoods stay frozen. After unpacking your box, set it aside in a well-ventilated area, leaving the dry ice inside. It will disappear on its own, just like magic. Ooh. Keep out of the reach of children and pets. Do not place on surfaces. So you just have to hold the box indefinitely. Alright, so inside we've got insulation. I don't know if you can see, there's already steam coming out of here. It says easy there, partner. Same thing I said before. So you want to just move that out of the way because if you drop it on the floor, it is really hard to clean up. Also, don't touch it. Alright, so here's the different ones that I ordered this week. I got Strawberry Zen. We've got Blue Cacao. Pink Dragon. This is one of my very favorites. It is delicious. I've got Bean to Baja. So this is a super meal. And the super meals you just heat up in a pan. They're ready in about 2 minutes. And this one is really good to use for nachos. Highly recommend. Got another Blue Cacao. Another Blue Cacao. I guess I was feeling like blue this week. Strawberry Zen. Liquid Gold. Liquid Gold. Coconuts. Coconuts. You're gonna love coconut cream. Pink Dragon. Falafel Pops. Now that's a new one too. That's also a super meal. And they are really good. If you like falafel, highly recommend trying those. Got another falafel pop. And the last one in my box is another Bean to Baja. So that is my order for this week. They have tons and tons. I am not very good at eating breakfast. I will just drink coffee all day long until I'm starving. You just go on the website, pick your plan. You can pick 9, 12, or 24 cups. And then you choose which flavors you want. Make sure you use coupon code PatWallace60. I'll put that in the description down below as well for your discount. Then they just deliver them right to your door. I find it so easy because I can just pull it out of the freezer, throw it in the blender, and then I've got a nutritious and delicious smoothie. So it's great. It really takes the prep work out of making smoothies. I don't see myself going to the grocery store and buying 19 different kinds of fruit and vegetables to put these together perfectly portioned. For example, the one that's called Heartbeat has raspberries, cranberries, beets,
chickpeas, bananas, oranges, psyllium husk, hemp protein, rosewater, cardamom.
Just to get all of those ingredients at the store would cost quite a lot more than $6.99 a cup. But you can use my coupon code PatWallace60 at checkout and save. The smoothies come with lids, and they used to come with these plastic lids, which were great. You pop them on, there's a little hole in there for your straw. They just switched to paper lids, and every time I pick the cup up, I keep picking it up by the lid, and it keeps popping off, and it keeps making a mess. So I know people were complaining about being environmentally friendly, but these plastic lids, I just put them in the recycling bin, so I think that's okay. So I definitely prefer the plastic over the paper, but usually I just pour this into a cup anyway. On the website, for each flavor, it gives you all the different benefits of the ingredients. So you can also see what benefits you'll be getting. So for example, on the Heartbeat one, it says on the bottom of the cup here, daily heart health. On the Pina Colada one, it says daily cleansing detox. So depending on what you're looking for, you can really customize what you get. One thing I have been asked quite a lot is what are my favorite flavors? And my favorite flavors are Pink Dragon, and I also really like Berry Blue. And I have to say it mostly just tastes like blueberries. So some of these flavors I wasn't really sure about, like Grass is Greener sounds a little bit too grassy for me. But actually the main ingredient in it is oranges and spinach and pineapple and avocado and lime. So I made this one with orange juice and it was really, really good. It just tasted like a fresh orange smoothie. So you just pick your flavor and fill it up with your liquid of choice. I prefer to use juice. I know it says on the website and on the packages to use almond milk, but I am not a big fan of dairy smoothies, but you could really use anything you want. I have tried them with coffee as well, which wasn't very good. But you just fill them up with juice, throw them in a blender, blend, and then you've got a quick and easy, convenient smoothie. One of the great things about these smoothies is that you can pour the smoothie back into the cup that the ingredients come in and then take it with you on the go. As you can see, I love these smoothies. I hope you enjoyed my video on Revive Superfoods. Make sure to use code PatWallace60 at checkout for discount, and I'll link that down below as well.
Check the description.
Thanks so much for watching my video on Revive Superfoods. If you order these, make sure to use code PatWallace60 at checkout, and comment down below and let me know what flavor you like the best. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. R-E-V-I-V-E, Revive Superfoods for me. Do you love peaches? So get this one, Strawberry Zen. Another one of my favorites is Liquid Gold. Oh, if you're having trouble feeding your kids fruits and vegetables, try these smoothies. They will love them. Make sure you use the code PatWallace60 at checkout for discount. Speaking of smoothies, I am starving, so I'm gonna go make one right now. I'll see you for another video next time. Bye!